Your phone says it has a 5 nanometer chip. I measured it. That number is a lie.
Welcome to Atomly, where we explain how.
Remember Kevin? Last time he was a grain of sand. Now he's a finished chip with a name tag. The problem? That name tag is basically a fake ID. Everyone assumes 5 nanometers is the size of something on the chip. Smaller number, better phone. And it used to be true. Years ago, the number actually matched a real distance you could point at. Then around 22 nanometers, the ruler broke. Transistors stopped being flat. They grew fins. They went full 3D. Now there's no single flat thing to measure. So which part is the number? Nobody agrees. So the industry just stopped measuring. The name became a brand, a sticker. And here's where it gets dumber. The companies don't even agree with each other. Then Intel looked at this mess and said, hold my marketing. They renamed everything in angstroms. 18A sounds like 1.8 nanometers. It's just a fresh coat of paint. But, and this matters, the chips really are getting better. Each new generation really does pack a lot more transistors into the same space. So real engineers ignore the name. They count density, how many transistors fit per millimeter. So no, 5 nanometers isn't a measurement. It's a brand name stuck on a genuinely better chip. The number lies, the chip doesn't. So next time a phone brags about nanometers, just remember Kevin's fake ID got him in anyway. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to watch more, click the suggestions below.